Ethereum, close by Bitcoin and Dogecoin, is one of those digital currencies that are notable even beyond the crypto local area. Furthermore, it is understandably, Ethereum is one of the most element-rich and fascinating blockchains out there. Other than being an unimaginably creative innovation, Ethereum is likewise an incredible resource for speculation. Not at all like little altcoins, it has to a lesser degree an opportunity to fail spectacularly, yet it actually can possibly moon and bring its financial backers cosmic benefits. Our constant ETH to USD cost update shows the ongoing Ethereum cost as $1,818.36 USD. Our latest Ethereum cost gauge demonstrates that its worth will increment by 10.76% and reach $2,013.96 by May 13, 2023. Our specialized pointers signal about the negative bullish 36% market feeling on Ethereum, while the trepidation and ravenousness file is showing a score of 52. Over the most recent 30 days, Ethereum has had 14 30th green days and 4.39% cost instability. Ethereum specialized outline. Ethereum authentic as indicated by the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Ethereum is $1,802.63, and ETH is as of now position No. 2 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Ethereum is $216,873,880,350.77, with a market cap of $120,309,683 ETH. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $69.22 in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, ETH has been in a decent vertical pattern, consequently expanding by 4.63%. Ethereum has shown areas of strength for extremely of late, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of ETH has expanded by 5.75%, adding a Goliath normal measure of $103.65 to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now on the off chance that it keeps on developing. Ethereum Value Expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Ethereum costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Ethereum will be $1,478.81. The most extreme level that the ETH cost can reach is $1,898.95. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $2,319.09. Likely return on initial capital investment, 4.5% ETH value gauge for May 2023 in view of the value changes of Ethereum toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical ETH pace of $1,881.92 in May 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $1,750.07 and at $2,013.76 individually. Likely return on initial capital investment, 10.9% June 2023. Ethereum value figure. Digital money specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the ETH cost in June 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $1,707.54. while the most extreme could reach $2,172.95 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Ethereum may be around $1,940.24. Possible return on initial capital investment, 19.6% ETH value figure for July 2023. Crypto experts have actually taken a look at the value changes of Ethereum in 2023 and in earlier years. So the normal ETH rate they anticipate may be around $2,029.82 in July 2023. It can drop to $1,790.61 as a base. The greatest worth may be $2,269.04. Expected return for money invested, 24.9% August 2023. Ethereum value gauge around mid-year 2023. The ETH cost will be exchanged at $1,915.72 by and large. August 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Ethereum worth to $2,109.90. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $1,721.55 in August 2023. Likely return for money invested, 16.1% ETH value conjecture for September 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Ethereum costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2023, $1,878.62. The least and pinnacle ETH rates may be $1,678.36 and $2,078.87. Possible return on initial capital investment, 14.4% October 2023. Ethereum value conjecture. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the ETH cost will be around $1,812.60. In October 2023, the Ethereum cost might drop to at least $1,610.38. The normal pinnacle worth may be $2,014.81 in October 2023. Possible return on initial capital investment. 10.9% ETH value figure for November 2023 having broke down Ethereum costs. Digital money specialists expect that the ETH rate could arrive at a limit of $2,319.09 in November 2023. It may, notwithstanding, drop to $1,487.34. For November 2023, the estimated normal of Ethereum is almost $1,903.21. Possible return for capital invested. 27.7% December 2023, Ethereum value estimate around mid-2023. The Ethereum cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $1,678.75. Crypto experts expect that in December 2023, the ETH cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $1,478.81 and $1,878.69. Expected return for capital invested. 3.4% Ethereum value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Ethereum in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Ethereum will be around $3,350.75. The most extreme expected ETH cost might be around $4,072.49. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $3,471.38 in 2024. Ethereum value forecast 2025 in view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Ethereum. In 2025, ETH is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $4,905.66 and $5,978.83. Separately, the typical expected exchanging cost is $5,044.52. Ethereum value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital currency have examined the costs of Ethereum and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2026, the base ETH cost could drop to $7,056.91, while its greatest can reach $8,567.69. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $7,258.69. Ethereum value forecast 2027 in view of the examination of the expenses of Ethereum by crypto specialists. The accompanying greatest and least ETH costs are normal in 2027, $12,054.17 and $10,183.20. By and large, it will be exchanged at $10,546.14